evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you are. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you basic Japanese. So number 1 in Japanese is ichi, number 2 is ni, number 3 is san, number 4 is shi, number 5 is go, number 6 is roku, number 7 shichi, number 8 hachi, number 9 Q, number 10 Ju. Good morning is Ohayo gozaimasu. Good afternoon is konnichiwa. Konnichiwa also means hi. Good evening is konbanwa. Good night is oyasumi nasai. And yeah, that's all. Count the numbers first. You'll go like ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Yeah. One thing you should know about Japanese is that past 10 a.m. it's no longer good morning, ohayo gozaimasu. Um, you say good afternoon, konnichiwa. I'll try to greet you in Japanese the way I always say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you are in Japanese. So ohayo gozaimasu, konbanwa, konnichiwa, whatever time it is where you are. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, smash that like button. If you don't, then how do I help you? There's no sun anywhere up here, hence the very gloomy weather. No sun, no sun, nowhere. I'm trying to look for it and it's nowhere at all. That's a 360 view. I guess some random person is wondering what about my background, right? I'm in the village, people, in the village. So hence the beautiful background. Enjoy it while it lasts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, night, or whatever time it is where you are. Bye.